Planning a trip to Baguio pero tipid mode? Don't worry, I got you. Ever wondered if you can stay at Teachers Camp in Baguio? Yes, you can! And it's super budget friendly. Dati kasi ang akala ko teachers lang o government employee ang pwede dito. Hindi pala. So, here's what to expect. Wide open spaces, cozy vibes, and lots of pine trees. Meron ding huge parking, fresh air, and that classic Baguio charm. Sa backdoor ako dumaan. Andito si Daddy Don nagluluto ng breakfast. Yes, cooking is allowed. Start tayo sa sala. Ang luwag. Pwede kayong magtumbling dito, maghabulan, mag-ikot-ikot, maglaro. Sobrang spacious. Perfect kung madami kayo or may kids na active. Ang nagustuhan ko rito, ang daming bintana, kaya ang daming natural light. Ayun yung fireplace, kagabi nakasindihan kasi sobrang lamig. Ito yung dalawang rooms, connecting sa isa't isa. Bawat room may 3 kama. Dito sa room na to, isang senior at saka 2 kong anak. Sama-sama naman sa kabilang rooms yung 3 seniors. May CR din sa kwarto na to, kaso hindi ko na na-videohan. Seniors!
Ano yan? Turuan mo ko na.
Ano ba yan?
House tour.
House tour. Paki-open ang door.
Let's go to the balcony.
This is the terrace. Ang daming puno, sobrang sarap ng hangin. Perfect spot sa morning coffee or late night tambay. In portrait video mode, this is the total look inside. This is the 3rd room. And this is the 4th room. Ito naman ang dining and kitchen. This unit is only 5,500 per night. Imagine, buong family na kayo sa price na yan. May discount pa yan kung may kasama kayong senior or government employee. Teachers Camp is not listed on Klook, but if you're looking for other hotel accommodations in Baguio or anywhere else, don't forget to use my code IreneLB on Klook to get exclusive discounts. This video is not sponsored, but I want to share with you guys, lalo na sa naghahanap ng murang accommodation. Sharing is caring.